Hello, welcome to SuccessTrack TV. I'm TJ, and I'm so happy that you found my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most important steps in starting or growing a business, and that is to create feasible market research. So if you're a small business owner or you want to start a business, this video is for you. But before we begin and get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below this video saying I subscribed. I'll try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's get started. Whether you're just starting or looking to expand, understanding your target market is crucial for success. The first step in market research is to identify your target market. Who are the people you want to sell to? What are their demographics, interests, and needs? By understanding your target market, you'll be able to tailor your products or services to better meet their needs and attract more customers. This is also the time when you should decide on your niche market. You can either focus on a broad market or a specific segment of it. One way to gather information about your target market is by conducting surveys or interviews. You can do this online or in person and ask questions about their purchasing habits, what they're looking for in a product or service, and what they're willing to pay for it. This will give you valuable insights into what your customers want and what they're willing to pay for. You can also conduct focus groups, which are a great way to get a deeper understanding of your target market and their needs. Another way to gather information is by using online tools like Google Trends or Facebook Audience Insights. These tools allow you to see what people are searching for online and what they're interested in. You can also use them to see which areas have the highest demand for your products or services. It's also important to keep an eye on your competition. Look at what they're doing, what products or services they're offering, and how they're marketing them. This will give you an idea of what's working in your industry and what you can do to stand out. Another important aspect of market research is understanding your industry and the current market conditions. This includes researching your industry size, growth rate, trends, and major players. You can use various resources like industry reports, trade associations, and government statistics for this purpose. Remember, market research is an ongoing process, so be sure to regularly gather and analyze data to stay ahead of the competition. So, by identifying the target market, gathering information through surveys and interviews, using online tools, keeping an eye on the competition, and understanding the industry and current market conditions, it's going to be very easy for you to create feasible market research for your small business. One last thing before you leave, if you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Then leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and I'll do my best to reply to as many comments as I can. Also, make sure to watch the next video that's coming up. Thanks for visiting SuccessTrack TV.